back to this video. Today, this video is gonna be a really small video because I'm just only unboxing this Range Shiba Ranger because I almost have it. I'm in 7 now, so I have 61 per coin. So let's get this started. Let's get this party started. 3, 2, 1. Okay, per coin. Come on, come on. Yes, I did it! I get him! I get him! Yes! I get him! Wait, I get it! This voice did it. You did it! I get it! I won him like so long. So I just gonna do some small gameplay with him. Yeah, so let's do some small gameplay. You guys are gonna like these. It's gonna be massive. He's insane, man. He's insane. I can't believe I nearly tried it out. Boy out. Let's go take a vent, man. So I'm using another really best recorder to play this game. Yeah, so we need to be really careful. Let's do this, man. Oh man, he's insane. No, I will do another gameplay, you guys. I'll do another gameplay. Let's do this another gameplay. It will be really sick, this guy. This bad boy. Hi, bad boy. I didn't have any legendary characters. I have a lot of heroes to upgrade. So let's equip some heroes and get this hero done. Let's go! We can get the samurai hero. I'm so happy about that. You know, I want it in my account so bad, like super bad. This hero is insane. If this is the male vision, this is gonna be incredible, insane. Ultimate, incredible, insane, I mean. So we will do one round Green Ranger for you guys only. Like, for you guys only. This guy. Should we upgrade him? I think we should. Let's do it, I guess. No! No. My only So, congratulations, you reached level 4. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh, 4 was hard to get it. Ah, man. I'm back. I'm back.
3, 2, 1, go!
If you want to come for the revenge, what, that not hit him? This guy is so done. Let's finish him. Okay, let's finish him in 3, 2, 1. Never surrender. That was totally sick.
Three, 2, 1.
This is insane. Can someone flip this, please? The problem is this. What problem is this? Finally, we can get it in. Come on, we got this. 1,000 billion. Oh my god.
3, 2, 1, go!
This is terrible, this hero. This is really terrible. This is 1,000 of terrible. This hero is tangible, invaluable. Come on, we got this. Come on, never what? Tai Chi?
3, 2, 1,
Bye bye. Have a nice life. Right, we have to go full win. This dude needs to go win. You just shoot easy. Don't just, they are just default. Don't know how to play, just playing around like that. Let's do this. If I win, I really are legends of this game. If I win, yeah, alright.
1, go!
Before this video ends, make sure to subscribe and leave a like and turn on bell for notifications. Enjoy, guys.